Just a quick update on the EVO build. I got the front end back together. It's a lot of parts and pieces and everything to the grill and whatnot, but basically I just took all those little pieces. I think there's like 10 or 9 or 10, something like that, front end pieces. These little side grills and the bezels around the fog lights, this grill piece, the emblem, lots of those other pieces, and then this these two vents for the hood. I took all those to Paint Doctor. It's a local place that they're pretty good and fast and efficient, and I got some friends that work there, so they just kind of shot some gloss black on that for me. Really freshened up the front end, and it matches good with that black wrap on the hood. I think it looks pretty sharp. These are the Vland headlights. They have sequential turn signals and like a daytime running lamp option. Let me turn those on real quick. And then I also put in some aftermarket headlights, bulbs. The bulbs are not as cool as I wanted, but anyway, so that's the daytime running lights and parking lamps. They're pretty cool. I think those look really neat. This is a pretty popular aftermarket headlamp, and it's called Vland. They're inexpensive, and they're not crazy as far as installation and anything like that. Nothing real exotic, but that's that. I haven't really figured out. There's a couple of things I got to do to get the daytime running lamp working, because right now it's still just the actual headlamp lighting up. So I think I'm missing something there, but I'll do that and get the parking lamps working well. Pretty cool. I have not started on the front end or on the back end. The OEM taillights are still in there. I have cool aftermarket OEM or cool aftermarket taillights as well. I just haven't really started on getting the back end apart. You have to take the inside of the trunk out, and then you do have to remove this lower bumper to take out these lights down here as well. I've got those being replaced with some like smoked LED lenses, but I'll do that on the next video maybe. Also super excited that I got these wheels and tires mounted. These are some nice Michelin, let's see, I went with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, 265/35 18s all the way around. Of course they're symmetrical because it's an all-wheel drive car. So I'm gonna, after I get the lights done, I've got to go get this car inspected, and I still don't have it registered in my name. It's still in the previous owner's name. So before I jack it up and start working on the brakes and the suspension, which is when I'll put the new wheels and tires on, I'm going to get the lights done, and then I'm going to run down and get it registration switched over so that I can officially own the car. I've had it for 9 months or something like that now, but front end looks pretty sharp. I love the satin silver with the gloss black. I think it's a killer contrast. Thinking I'm going to get the Mitsubishi EVO logo, or the Mitsubishi logo, the Diamond Star. I think I'm going to get that done in like that silver to just have it wrapped. Tell me what you think.